Hey everyone! Welcome to Oh My God Lily Fab, and I'm Amira.
I'm Mandy.
And today in this video, we're going to do a first impression of the City Mini Palette Rooftop Bronzies
By Maybelline.
By Maybelline.
The price?
The price, it retails for 40 plus? Less than 50. It's all shimmer.
It's available in Watsons and Guardian and any drugstore in Malaysia.
Into this video, we're going to do
A first impression on these eyeshadows. We're going to apply on our eyes. Are we going to do the swatches?
Yeah, we're going to do the swatches.
Oh yeah,
as
by the way,
well.
2, 3
They have
shades?
besides
Shades pula.
Rooftop Bronzes, they have a range of palettes. About four. You guys can
check it out.
check it out. Paling neutral lah.
And
The
highly
neutral
raved.
colours and highly raved.
So we're going to try it by ourselves juga, whether it's like good or whether we like it as much as the other YouTubers like it.
Basically, there are the 6 shades.
It's all shimmer.
Okay, so let's do the swatches.
But tak nama ke? Tak nama. No names, right? No name. Is this 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5?
No name.
There's no names, there's no shade names.
It's more neutral colours lah over here.
Let's
Okay.
go for the first one.
The first one, which is this one.
Number 2 is this one. Ooh, Fallout. It's a bit bronzy. The first one is kind of like soft gold, maybe creamish gold.
Yeah.
Softer lah, this one yang second one is copperish, gold, and then on my skin it's this. Look at that. Whoa, that's pretty. So pretty. It's copperish on me though.
Next,
Third one.
this one.
More chocolatey.
Chocolate.
It's like darker copperish on me lah. Look, this one.
Moving on, tiga on this side.
The other side, we're gonna take this one, the lighter one.
Sebab dia press pigment. Ooh, I like. Oh my god, can you all see? Look at that. Pretty. It's
Say peachy kan?
Yeah, dia macam a bit
Peachy
like
gold.
a peachy gold.
No, what?
The last two,
is the. I'm gonna take this one.
macam mana texture dia? How to describe the
It's
texture?
buttery, but also maybe because it's buttery, they fall out.
Yes.
okay, maybe this is the second one. This one, dia macam dah more to brown. Slightly darker. Oh, pretty. Kan, pretty ni also pretty. Dia dah darker. Shimmer sheen. But it's all pretty.
The darkest one out of all the 6. Oh, hai. Tak, dia macam rough tau.
Oh yes.
Rough. Macam like, but like, you see, it can be patchy lah. Look at that. But the pigment is there. So you guys can see, it's pretty.
Yeah, okay. So this is
Nampak jam.
the swatches. Although they all shimmers and
Yes,
sheens,
it's all
we're gonna make it work. We're gonna do the application.
Maknanya all on our eyes, tak ada matte tau, semua shimmer.
Let's ruin it.
Kita akan like full force test this out.
We're gonna go neutral 90s. You want shimmer? We give you shimmer.
First of all, I need my eyeshadow primer, which I don't know where.
I'm not gonna use primer. Kita tengok like
I tend to crease a lot, so kita tengok jadi ke tak.
Sweet tak kita orang? Kita like share the palette.
yeah.
People. I akan apply, memang try to use my fingers. Ni I nak try je. Right here.
Not sponsored by Hermo, thanks. I'll be using this one.
Okay guys, I'm going to use one side without primer, the other side I'll try with the primer.
Oh wow. Kau ingat tak cerita dulu tu yang ala Austin Powers?
Oh.
This is happening.
Yes. Okay.
Can you all see?
Belah ni without primer.
Oh, Fallout.
Ya, so dia berterbangan ya di awangan angkasa.
Oh, see? Tak padu lah.
Maknanya without, macam dengan brush tak padu.
Tak padu. You gotta use spray, Fix Plus ke?
Okay, belah sini I just guna finger je kan, and then letak without primer. This is how I hope you guys can see. This one with primer, and I'm going to wet my brush.
She'll do it like the spraying thing. All that jazz.
Okay, so I'm gonna use a crease brush. I'm gonna use this
You guys,
on my crease.
this one with primer and brush yang a wet brush.
It's better off as a jadi topper lah.
I don't know you guys.
Dia kena ada matte jugalah.
Indah kabar dari rupa. I don't know.
Benda ni semua boleh pakai tapi as your lip je. Ya, macam like dia tak boleh. Dia tak boleh macam on its own. For me lah, for me, I think dia cannot on its own.
There's other eyeshadows. You just apply it on your finger, on your lid, and then look bam, like the hint. There's like, videos coming.
For the price range, is it worth it? Like right now lah, without the result lagi.
It's a palette, right?
We're kind of person yang macam like kita nak cepat and then we want sometimes just want to like macam like letak. Kita nak convenient. Kita nak macam like letak satu colour je and hope it turns out the best. Macam like oh wow. And eyeliner and then you got a look. And I don't think, honestly speaking, I don't think this worth the price. This apa tu can help us to get that look lah.
Kita
Benda
tak
tak
nak
siap
judge lagi. Ha.
Dia bukan konsep macam like you apply on your shadow one shot terus bam you have to build it up.
Tak semua orang suka macam like whole thing is shimmer, right?
Dia bagi
Recommended like how to use it lah, macam mana nak which combination yang good for whatever look you want to do. Shimmer for the whole eyes. I think dah tak ada benda yang bam lah.
okay.
Tak puas hati kan? Dia macam tak
Kan.
naik lah.
Dia
Tak naik.
pakai
Dia
brush tak
you
naik.
Guys. Tak naik. I try to apply it with my finger one more time and see if I can build it up.
So I'm gonna use this one, a bigger space punya crease lah, like.
Come on, you guys.
Tapi dia punya fallout like, see?
You guys, this is not what I expect it to be, honestly speaking.
Even as a topper pun, I'm sorry, like in my opinion, dia ada lagi so much better than this lah. Ada brand yang we have found other eyeshadow yang shimmer, yang sheen, yang much more worth.
Okay, I'm going to use this.
That one okay. That one okay.
Okay, yeah.
That one okay. This one, it's not working lah for me.
Can't do this. It's not what I expected to be. I'm very disappointed now. Why doesn't appear on me? Are you kidding me? You guys.
Tak nampak weh, tak nampak, tak jadi apa pun. Tak jadi apa-apa weh.
Nothing.
Pakai jari?
Nothing. Jari lah horror.
I try to work it out tapi semakin horror dan semakin horror.
Ke maybe I don't know how to use it ke. Or maybe I just use the wrong combination. I don't know.
Maybe we should just tap instead of dragging it.
Maybe. You guys.
Tak tahu lah nak komen macam mana, I don't know. Nampak tak? Bukan nak I don't know how to use ke. Tak lah, tak tahu nak cakap macam mana. Nak being shady ke apa kan. But like maybe kan sebab apa tau, tak ada matte langsung. Dia dah tak boleh nak grab on anything. So dia just macam like on its own, dia berpakat dengan geng dia. Dia tak boleh nak pakat dengan geng dia.
This is the most that I can do lah sebenarnya.
What happened to you? Itulah. Oh my god, what happened to you? Aku lah. Can I have the makeup remover?
Yeah, sure. Ambil lah.
Because I can't.
I need to remove it all.
Under eye, aku lah sangat fail. So I'm gonna use the only colour yang I haven't used yet, which is this one as my under.
You guys, I dah remove kan.
Nangis.
Sedih.
What is this? Where's the colour, man?
Maybe I need to try it one more time.
Let it dry for a sec. Let it dry. Let it try it one more time.
I'm sorry. I didn't do much. Tak jadi on me. I have to do it again.
Bila shimmer dengan shimmer berjumpa, dia jadi satu colour je terus.
Yes.
This colour dah tahap tak boleh nak blend dengan siapa-siapa.
You guys, bear with me. I'm trying one more time.
Okay, ni total frustration ni.
So I'm gonna use this as my inner corner. Okay, yang tu inner corner cantik.
Ha, baby.
This is my final look. Yay, I'm done. Throw in the towel. So, elok juga untuk orang yang berkacamata ya.
RM40 ni hal. Tapi still tak berbalik kot because all shimmers tak ada mattes. Colour pay off dia pun macam, I mean untuk swatch, hand swatch, okay. Yes. Once you use brushes,
You know, crease brush, crease brown.
brown.
not really workable kot. I don't know.
Dia macam tak boleh pakai brush.
Frustration.
It's very hard, seriously. Tapi nampak macam ni, benda tu, colour tu tak work kot.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we're
back.
As you guys boleh nampak tadi, I am struggling. I struggle to get a look. Memang I am very frustrated. It's not what people rave about it. As you guys can see, I am on struggle because like I think I use the wrong color combination. It's a tricky palette. Mula-mulanya I plan I nak guna this color, this one and this one, which is a wrong move. Turned out macam tadilah disastrous. I kena remove, lepas tu I kena reapply.
Masa at the beginning of the video when kita swatch it on our hands, nampak sangat macam
Cantik.
pigmented kan. That is not the case bila you apply on the eyelids.
Especially using brush.
Macam pakai finger pun biasa saja, not as
Bam, tak ada lah.
tak ada. Pakai brush lagi biasa. So okay, this is what I use all over my eyelids. Pakai finger. Dekat tengah tu I use this one. Yang at the end I use this one.
what I can say is that you nak guna palette ni, you kena make sure the colour combination is correct lah.
It's
Fallout dia a
very-
lot.
No, I don't know if it's because of
Personally for me, I think it works, but like not all the colours because I use all the 6 colours, all the 6 shades. Ada some shades memang dia tak boleh nak blend.
This colour tak boleh blend. This one macam tak nampak apa. This one patchy. Yang ni okay lah, quite okay lah. I don't say it's the best.
But overall I still think benda ni not worth it lah.
For the price, pretty cheap, okay lah.
Okay lah, cheap lah.
Tak
It's
adalah
not the
macam
best.
teruk sangat. Dia tak ada macam too lousy. Kalau you nak do an eye look only using this one palette, better not.
I tried on eyelid with eye primer and then dah wet the brush, everything.
Dia tak pop up like how I expect it to be.
And then memang kena pakai mascara dengan
And,
liner.
it helps a bit.
Kalau tak dia jadi macam like shimmer bomb. Macam tu je sebenarnya.
So our advice is that on its own, kena pilih the right combination of colours. Don't expect so much from this palette.
It's just average lah.
Biasa lah.
It is very highly raved. Like a lot of YouTubers say really good things about this palette. So we want to try it for ourselves and it's not for us lah kot.
So that is all for today.
And I hope you guys
Enjoy
it's
this
a
video.
genuine review from us.
Not to be shady lah, but this is the real tea. Macam
Yeah,
tu.
giving you all like
The honest
real
review
deal.
lah.
So thank you so much for watching and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up.
Leave us a comment.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.